Look here, everyone. As soon as the elevator door opens, the LED lights on this sapphire blue golf cart immediately catch the eye. Get up close, and the headlight details are even more impressive. All its LED front combination lights can be controlled via Bluetooth through a phone app. Whether you want to switch light modes or adjust brightness, you can do it directly on your phone. No more fumbling with manual switches. Let's walk around to check out the exterior. This gem blue body looks so premium. The body is made of PP injection molded material, which resists aging and won't warp. Underneath, there's a galvanized floor with a black rubber mat. It feels stable and non-slip when you step on it. It's equipped with 10-inch steel rims paired with golf cart-specific tires, and the rim size fits daily road conditions perfectly. The most practical part is this all-aluminum cargo bed. It has a spacious size, making it super convenient for loading items later. You can tell it's a practical choice at a glance. Hop in and first take a look at the dashboard. This 10-inch IP66 waterproof LCD screen is so clear. Voltage, speed, range, and riding mileage are all easy to read at a glance. It can also detect vehicle faults. Just a quick glance while driving tells you the cart's condition. It's way more user-friendly than traditional dashboards. Driving it is even more surprising. The 48 volts per kilowatts motor delivers plenty of power, and it runs steadily in a straight line. The steering uses a bidirectional rack and pinion system with automatic blast compensation. Turning is super smooth and requires no effort at all. This is all thanks to the McPherson's double wishbone front suspension, which works with coil springs and hydraulic shock absorbers to filter out bumpiness completely. Next up, let's take on the hill climbing challenge. First, we go up a 10 slope. There's no struggle with power at all. We stop the cart halfway up the slope, and the foot brake holds it steady perfectly, not sliding an inch. When going downhill, the four-wheel hydraulic brakes respond quickly, giving you a full sense of security. You can feel at ease whether going up or downhill. Let's try an in-place turn next. Its minimum turning radius is only 5 meters. It can make flexible U-turns even in narrow spaces, and there's no problem in navigating parking lots or scenic area roads daily. This flexibility is amazing. Focus on this cargo bed design. There's a latch control button on the side. The latch locks automatically when the cart is turned off, so you'll never worry about forgetting to secure your cargo again. Now, let me demonstrate how to open and close the cargo bed. Just a gentle pull to open it, and closing it is super smooth too. The 1,800 millimeters long cargo bed can hold up to 500 kilograms of items, which is more than enough for hauling tools and materials. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section below this video.